YouTube.com monetization program is getting changed from February 1, 2027. Some conditions are changing for the content monetization and for the shorts monetization also. Example, for content monetization from February 1, 2027, you should need to have 8,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And for shorts monetizations, the conditions are changing also. In this video, I'll show you while you will receive the notification and how to accept the notification. You can receive the notification on YouTube Studio Analytics inside of desktop and laptop or mobile app, IT Studio mobile app. Adding a new update from 2027 on your Studio Analytics phone, you will get this update notification from phone or from laptop, computer into Studio Analytics page. So when you get the update, at first you read A to Z, review and express. Let's press review and express. Review and accept. What's changing? What's the monetization criteria? Short monetization criteria is getting changed. Like 8,000 watch hours should be necessary from 2000 to 710. And you will read the learn more section. From here, the learn more section also. And after reading the continue, from continue here, there another condition. Watch page monetization module. You have to read the full. After full read, you will understand what's are getting changed and you'll see the I accept. After I accept, you will this on here, accept and continue. Accept and continue. Watch page monetization module, another section, February 1, 2027. These updates will come from February 1, 2027. Shorts subscription revenues. There are some huge changes, and I accept. After I accept, you will press on here finish button, spell the finish, and you will find you had accepted. The blue line monetizer will receive this, and there will be no problem. For the running content monetizer, these conditions will be applied for like 8,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. For the new YouTubers, which will apply for the content monetization program, they'll have some more issues which you should need to write and load. Yesterday, YouTube announced a video, so you can check the videos. Thanks for watching.